What is going on, dudes and foxy dudettes? Welcome back to the Well-Rounded Dude. Today we're going to talk about Father's Day gifts, okay? Father's Day is coming up, and I'm going to show you some quick and easy but thoughtful gifts that you can get your dad for Father's Day. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. We're going to go rapid fire today, alright? So if your dad has a head of hair, head of curly hair, look no further than the Pete and Pedro Curl Cream. Now, we're going to be doing a more in-depth review on this coming soon, hopefully next week, but this is a great product, especially, you know, if you have curly hair, the one thing you want is something that's going to give you some hold, something that's going to let your curls bounce, because curls get the girls, and he may already have your mom, but he may have his eye on another girl, so I joke, but the Curl Cream is a good choice. So next up, your dad may be bald. He may not need curl cream. Then I will go with a fragrance. Prada L'Homme would be my choice. It is a great utility knife fragrance. I call it a utility knife fragrance because you can use it anywhere. You can use it at the office, on a date, running errands. Pretty much anywhere you can think of, this will be good for it. It's got a nice non-offensive scent, and it works great. We've talked about it before. There are a bunch of great notes, but it's a powdery, lighter fragrance. You can't go wrong with it, so this is a great choice. This is going to be linked down in the description. Pretty much everything we talk about today is going to be linked down in the description. Your dad may be a movie buff, and have I got the perfect movie for you? If he loves giant monsters, who doesn't love giant monsters? Godzilla and Kong: The New Empire just came out on 4K. I watched it last night. I saw it twice in theaters, and I watched it again on 4K last night. It looks like 10 times better than it did in theaters. This is a great disc. The sound is great. The special effects are great. Everything is rendered perfectly in 4K, in my humble opinion. So this is a great disc to pick up, or, you know, even if you don't want to like buy the 4K disc, you want to just like rent the movie, it's a great fun film, and it'll look great in your TV. So the next great idea, instead of getting him a tie, get him a cool t-shirt. These Filebach t-shirts, like what I'm wearing now, are perfect with their special blend of materials. The Pima cotton, the bamboo fiber, the Serona fiber, all make their Stay Cool tees top notch. You'll stay cool, look fashionable, and they'll fit you great. So I would also recommend, if you are gonna go with those, you know, if your dad's got a little bit of a belly on him, go with the classic fit. If he's a little slimmer, go with the slim fit, obviously, and you can save some money with the discount code you see on the screen. So last but not least, the great idea that you can do is make him a meal, make him a steak. I've done videos showing you guys how to make certain foods, either wings or a steak. A steak would probably be the best choice for Father's Day. You know, in a cast iron skillet. You can see that video here. I know it says for dating, you know, great first date, but it's great for dad too. He'll love it. And basically, the best gift you can get out of all these are great options, is like physical items, but the best thing you can do is quality time. You know, your father needs quality time. He's going to enjoy that most out of anything here. And, you know, unfortunately, we don't get to spend, you know, a lifetime with our parents. You know, we only have them for a short time. Make use of it and just make the best of your quality time that you can. That's the best advice I can give you. And with that, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. Ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. Dude 15 will save you 15% off of our merch page, which is also a great spot for Father's Day gifts. Not to mention on the website, which is the hub of everything we do here, the Amazon merch page is up there. I've curated some great items, so if you need something really quick or in a pinch, you know, Amazon can get it to you in like a day or two. And, you know, we've got the 5 most recent episodes of our podcast up there. And, yeah, guys, I hope you have a wonderful Father's Day. If you are a father, happy Father's Day. You know, crack one open for me and enjoy. So take care. Thank you. We'll see you guys next week. Peace.